Hi. Hi, Dad. I wanted to drop by for a minute. Oh, thank you for dropping here, Mr. Byron. We just have mayonnaise here. And then we put condense. Let's see. We mix it. How are you today? I'm doing good so far. Think twice. It's you mix it. Actually, we don't have enough apple. It's okay. Salad, cucumber salad with apple. You put it, you chop it, and then you put Greek yogurt, and then you put mayonnaise, and then condense.